Hey guys, ngicela ukuthetha nabantu base Eastern Cape. Guys, why are you letting us down? We want to come back. Sizosebenzela abantu bangakuthi. But you guys keep disappointing us. Why? I want to scream because Niadika guys. Niadika. Eva? Guys, amanzi xa engekho e-Eastern Cape. Ungenayo la lakhe ubakho bekhona umuntu okudonsela ukufakele endlini. Uyahamba uyokha apho kusela khona inkomo guys. Akho mgwaqo xoya ngemoto pha encinci ibuyivahlakile. Literally ivahlake pha ngaphansi. Nisenzani kodwa boqabaga? Nisenzani? Siyathukwa apha koGoli, KZN, everywhere. Ngenxa yenu ngoba phela akho msebenzi ngapho ufune sizofuna impangelo ngapha apha kuwina amanye amapati. Nina apho akho msebenzi, akho nix, akho manzi, akho mgwaqo, akho toilet, abantwana bashone egodini ama toilet. Kuyalena le and then nina and then ninjani ngani boqabaga? Ngqona unithuka kule video yazi. Yazi omnyusisi nithetha naye lapha ku Facebook. Uthi ugirl ndiyambuza uthi yena ANC forever. Lithi mina girl ubuzwa ngomnye ubhuti. Ushuthi omnye ubhuti yamthuka yabona. Amthuke. Aphendule leso sithuko ke athi yena ANC yaphuma wakho forum. Yena she inherited law forum and she'll vote for ANC forever. Guys, she's not working. Against nix. Uvotele ANC ngenxa ya forum. Akazi bala forum awusuku ANC. Awusuku ANC la forum. Yes, policies whatever was done by ANC whatever that time. But ayi imali ANC color forum. Imali yomuntu ovuka emsebenzini. Athukwe whether uthukwa phathi wakhe or whether uthukwa customer or whether uthukwa ngumuntu osukumayo. Imali yomuntu osukumayo ekseni ahlambe ayemsebenzini. But usisi wangakuthi uthi yena ana ndaba nayo nanto akanandaba namsebenzi vele ngeke ipati imnike emsebenzi ngeke imnike emoto ngeke imnike but la forum kamamakhe. I was shook. So guys, nqamile mna nibhadle for nothing. Well, I'm sorry ukuni insult and not insulting your intelligence, but guys, niyayibona iprovince yethu ngathi sibhadlanga apha enhloko. I mean, siyaphuma sonke asisebenze Eastern Cape, sisebenza le ku emkude emazweni. Nqena nokubuya uyazi manje once wayo ungena emgwaqweni ungena ku N2 uthi R61 baga imoto iyafa pha emgwaqweni iqhuma ithayi ibheka le ntshinga libheka le ecaleni ngenxa yenu. Bafowethu anikeni yekeni kanti sincede babhimi kanike niphume niphume kwabantu abazunibulala xa nibakhiphile. Ucinga kumnandi lento xa ngaba khona umsebenzi ophumayo pha akuphumi ne-advert kwazi positions ezincinci zolutsha ufika umuntu eqale ethi ena hayi yazi ndabuza omnye umntwana ndithi ke ebhizi egcwalisa ama forms pha ndithi okay where did you apply because I'm interested because khona abantwana abangasekhaya in fact abanye nje basolela umama wabo bahlala bebodwa so I want to know ukuthi uapply phi. What you know, we're not applying. How? We're not applying, we're given these because omama babo baphayana. So nina nifuna uqhubeka nalonto abantu abeni basoloko bezizicathalala zabantu abacingela babangcono because baphethe pha ku-ANC. Ayini guys. Anandaba umuntu wathini anandaba nalonto. But guys, and Eastern Cape nje yodwa amanye ama province it's fine bangayinika i-chance i-ANC, but because they are striving under other political parties. Nina ni votela bayithini? Ngeke phela uthi uvotela uba uvotelani, uvotela forum. Ngeke phela guys, ngeke. Na guys. Sincedeni. Otherwise, guys, no. Na guys. Danicela. Hayibo. Hayi shame. Ndinincamile futhi ayikho into engasayenza because the next 5 years ube kunjalo. Hayi ke andizukoka mos mina Eastern Cape. Shuthi ma ndambile by God, and I'm not the only one. Sibanintsi. So kokhela nje abazali bethu njengoba sesibokhele sibe sesiphuma kuni, because obvious anifuni intuthuko, anifuni ukuba nama-tar roads, anifuni nifuna sonhleli labo bantu nje bazidlela imali baneziswe ezingaka nemithabathaba. Next kukhona izithabathaba izitezi abazakhayo, and then when uhleli kulo forum owayo phofu, because forum nibanintsi kulo forum lo. Disappointed yazi Gqobeko sibizwa ngo the reason sebenzela igama lithi Gqobeko is because sibizwa ngoGqobeko xa sithukwa lapha. Disappointed. I thought you guys are gonna take this opportunity to change. Hayi ubani bagxothe completely, but just ubaba bake banalanto because ngoku bahamba kumagaga ngaphandle, because you're not challenging them. No one challenges them. Nihleli izicathala feni gcwele phaya ebhizana kona umunyo salamgwaqo oyi1 ungazi uthuthuthi akhona parking. Uyongena esipanje uvikana nenkomo, uvikana nembuzi, uvikana namatholi, uvikana na yonke into le apha estratweni town. Angeke guys, nani disappointed. Phumile kuni hlalani lapho. Benifuna ubuya nje nami ndizothi save my community. Hayi ndizosave apha abantu, save KZN is fine. Xa ndiphuma namhlanje ngiphume ndigule, ngiphume wherever I'm going, but I'll keep saving abantu abangapha abazimiseleyo. Sorry.